Hi, I'm Jeff Coda, editor of American Farriers Journal.
And I'm Frank Lester, editorial director of American Farriers Journal.
50 years ago, Florida farrier Henry Haymaring launched American Farriers Journal to bring more knowledge to the industry.
And I've been around for 30 plus years of the 50 years we're celebrating. There's been a lot of innovations over the years. We've seen the invention of propane forges, heart bar shoes have made a comeback, glue-ons, lots of new tools, lots of new ideas. And
we're going to be celebrating those milestones and innovations in the December 2024 issue of American Farriers Journal. Keep an eye out for it.
Jeff, you've done a great job on the cover. We got this, it's the 50-year anniversary of AFJ, and we're looking for a lot of great things to be said about the history of the magazine and the Hoof-Care Summit in this issue. So congratulations on a great cover.
Thank you.